Forex traders, come, let's discuss. Whether you are new or you've been in the system for some time, this video is basically for Forex traders. You know, they say something that a wise man learns from other people's experience, but a smart man learns from his own experience. But either way, whether you're a wise man or a smart man, it's good you learn. In this video, I'll be sharing with you some things or some habits that I found out that were holding me back in my trading. Then when I made adjustments with them, I saw some improvements, not actually in my results, but in terms of how I perceive the market. There are three things I'll be sharing with you in this video. Whether you choose to learn from me or not, you also experience it one day. So you either learn it now and save yourself, or you learn it now, when you start experiencing it, you recall this video and apply the measures I'm about to say. Now, one of the things I want to say in this video is don't tell people you trade. Why did I say don't tell people you trade? When you tell people that you trade, they are going to put an expectation on you. For example, I had a friend who knew when I started trading years back, and sometime in the past, he would ask me from time to time. It might be an honest opinion or an honest review. He asked me from time to time, this is Forex thing, when he goes out to the pay. Now, this question, as harmless as it is, it has some psychological effects on the trader. Now, you go back and start questioning yourself, questioning your ability. You say, yes, this my friend is right. When will this thing actually start paying? And this will lead to a whole lot of psychological problem. You either start second guessing yourself, you start wanting to risk it big, you start a whole lot of things that will not be healthy for your account. So to save yourself from this problem, don't tell people that you trade. Keep it to yourself, keep your growth to yourself. You don't need people's validation. Another point I want to make, which is also in line with don't tell people that you trade, is stop posting your trades. You know, there was a time when I was very, very hot. Let me use the word of very, very hot. I was predicting different markets, posting different analysis on Facebook, on WhatsApp, and it was working, and people were believing in what I was doing. But I noticed something, that whenever I make a prediction or a forecast and it doesn't work, I watch people's reaction and I notice my own reaction. I notice that I become emotionally down when that people always see as somebody who predicts it right and now is no longer working. It has some kind of negative impact in me and it brings down my confidence. So over the years, I learned not to post my charts. Couples who are having issues and they bring it online, you know, the problem is going to escalate because people are going to bring their own sentiment and their own opinions. But if you have your problem or issues indoor, you can actually rectify it peacefully in your own terms. So you don't have to bring it online or bring it to the public, because when you bring it to the public, you are not looking for online opinion and online sentiment. Not to post my trades, not to tell people that I'm trading, because when it goes wrong, you will no longer deal with it yourself alone. The whole world have seen it and they're going to have their own opinion, their own positive and negative review. It's just like the final thing I want to say is, if you're trading, go and look for a job, because in the market, you need money. You need money to fund your account. You need money to pay for mentorship. You need money to watch videos. Even if your mentor is not charging you money, you need money for subscriptions. You need money to feed. When you're trading and you don't have money to solve the basic needs of life, your basic needs of life, is going to be a real struggle. And you put all the pressure on your account, which is not healthy for a beginner. So look for a job where you earn something and be doing trading by the side. When you've built confidence in yourself and in your strategy, understood yourself very well, and you have enough capital, then you can quit your job. Don't be quick to quit your job. If you don't have a job, look for one. Because in trading, we grow money. We don't make money. But before you grow money, you have to make money. And where will you make money? Outside trading. So when you make money outside trading, you bring it to the market. then you start growing it exponentially. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Summarizing the whole video, don't tell people you trade, don't post your trades, and look for a job. If you have a job already, keep it. Don't be in a rush to quit your job to start trading Forex. Thank you. See you in the next one.